Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is the advantage of AWS DeepLens's local processing capabilities? Better cost management. Reduced dependence on internet connectivity. Enhanced networking capabilities. Increased cloud storage. Local processing capabilities reduce dependence on continuous internet connectivity by handling inference on the device. What feature of AWS DeepLens allows it to operate without continuous internet connectivity? Offline inference capability. Multi-AZ deployment. Data replication. High-speed networking. AWS DeepLens's offline inference capability allows it to process video streams and run models without needing continuous internet connectivity. How does AWS DeepLens facilitate remote monitoring? By managing network traffic. By providing real-time video feeds and analytics. By optimizing cloud costs. By increasing storage capacity. AWS DeepLens facilitates remote monitoring by providing real-time video feeds and analytics, allowing users to monitor environments from afar. What does the AWS DeepLens SDK provide for developers? Storage optimization algorithms. Tools for model deployment and inference. Database management utilities. Networking configuration tools. The AWS DeepLens SDK provides developers with tools for model deployment and inference on the DeepLens device. What component of AWS DeepLens allows for high-quality video processing? Built-in GPU. High-speed SSD. Battery pack. Ethernet port. The built-in GPU in AWS DeepLens allows for high-quality video processing and deep learning inference. What is the purpose of AWS DeepLens's project templates? To optimize storage solutions. To manage cloud resources. To configure network settings. To simplify the development and deployment of machine learning models. AWS DeepLens's project templates simplify the development and deployment of machine learning models by providing pre-configured setups. What type of connectivity does AWS DeepLens support for network access? Satellite. 5G. Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Fiber optic. AWS DeepLens supports both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity for network access and device management. What is a benefit of using AWS DeepLens for computer vision tasks? Enhanced storage capacity. Faster cloud network speeds. Reduced latency in processing video streams. Improved database indexing. Using AWS DeepLens for computer vision tasks reduces latency by processing video streams directly on the device. What service integrates with AWS DeepLens for model training? Amazon SageMaker. Amazon Redshift. Amazon Aurora. Amazon CloudFront. Amazon SageMaker is used to train and optimize machine learning models which can then be deployed to AWS DeepLens. What type of tasks can be automated using AWS DeepLens? Cloud infrastructure setup, database indexing, content delivery optimization, computer vision tasks like object detection and facial recognition. AWS DeepLens can automate computer vision tasks such as object detection and facial recognition through real-time video analysis. What is the role of the AWS DeepLens console? To create VPCs. To deploy and manage models on AWS DeepLens. To manage S3 buckets. To configure EC2 instances. The AWS DeepLens console is used to deploy and manage machine learning models on AWS DeepLens devices. What is a benefit of using AWS DeepLens in manufacturing? Database replication. Quality control through real-time video analysis. Enhanced cloud storage. Network traffic management. In manufacturing, AWS DeepLens can be used for quality control by analyzing production processes through real-time video feeds. What does AWS DeepLens use to process video data? Serverless functions. Content delivery networks. Relational databases. Deep learning models. AWS DeepLens uses deep learning models to process and analyze video data in real time. What is the role of Amazon SageMaker in conjunction with AWS DeepLens? Creating VPCs. Managing IoT devices. Encrypting data at rest. Training and optimizing machine learning models. Amazon SageMaker is used to train and optimize machine learning models which can then be deployed on AWS DeepLens. What type of device is AWS DeepLens? A serverless computing service. A deep learning-enabled video camera. A data warehousing service. A cloud storage solution. AWS DeepLens is a deep learning-enabled video camera that can process and analyze video streams in real time. What is an advantage of AWS DeepLens in the context of autonomous vehicles? Improved networking speeds. Better cloud storage options. Enhanced fuel efficiency. Real-time object detection and navigation assistance. In the context of autonomous vehicles, AWS DeepLens offers real-time object detection and navigation assistance through its deep learning capabilities. What is the primary benefit of deploying models on AWS DeepLens? Real-time inference at the edge. Increased cloud storage capacity. Better content delivery network. Improved database indexing. The primary benefit of deploying models on AWS DeepLens is performing real-time inference directly at the edge. How does AWS DeepLens enhance security in smart cities? By optimizing storage solutions. By providing real-time surveillance and anomaly detection. By configuring network settings. By managing cloud resources. AWS DeepLens enhances security in smart cities through real-time surveillance and anomaly detection, ensuring public safety. What functionality does AWS DeepLens offer for educational purposes? Cloud infrastructure management. Large-scale data migration. Network traffic optimization. Hands-on experience with AI and deep learning. AWS DeepLens provides hands-on experience with AI and deep learning, making it a useful tool for educational purposes. How does AWS DeepLens contribute to predictive maintenance in industrial settings? By managing cloud infrastructure. By providing content delivery. By identifying equipment anomalies. By storing large datasets. AWS DeepLens contributes to predictive maintenance by identifying equipment anomalies through real-time video analysis. How does AWS DeepLens contribute to energy management solutions? By optimizing database performance. By monitoring equipment and optimizing usage. By managing cloud resources. By providing network security. AWS DeepLens can monitor equipment and optimize energy usage through real-time data analysis, contributing to efficient energy management solutions. How does AWS DeepLens handle updates for deployed models? No update mechanism. Automatic over-the-air updates. Manual firmware updates. Daily scheduled maintenance. AWS DeepLens supports automatic over-the-air updates, allowing models to be updated remotely and seamlessly. What feature allows AWS DeepLens to perform local inference? On-device computing. Cloud-based storage. Network load balancing. Data encryption. On-device computing allows AWS DeepLens to perform deep learning inference locally without relying on cloud resources. What type of machine learning tasks is AWS DeepLens particularly suited for? Big data analytics. Relational database management. Natural language processing. Computer vision tasks. AWS DeepLens is particularly suited for computer vision tasks, including object detection, image classification, and activity recognition. What AWS service can be used for logging and monitoring AWS DeepLens activities? Amazon RDS. Amazon SNS. AWS Glue. Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch can be used for logging and monitoring the activities and performance of AWS DeepLens devices. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.